Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, as usual, slide over to the chat. Tell me you're here. Good morning. What's up? Something. So that way I can use it for attendance. Hey, welcome, Damien. Good morning, Aaron, Riley, Mia. So everybody slide over the chat. Make sure you tell me I'm here or something. All right. Cool. I do not see everybody over in the chat yet. I am oh, there's Mr. Beasley. I got a Riley. I'm missing a Bella. I'm missing a Bella. There's a Bella. And I'm missing another Isaac, but it looks like he may still be trying to log in. Okay. So let's go right over here. And I see one Isaac. I do not see a Morgan. I see a Riley, a Bella. Do I see an Aaron? I do see an Aaron. Do I see a Natalie? I do not see a Natalie. Mia, Nadia, not so much. Another Isaac, no Osman. Do I see a Hunter? I see no Hunter, but I do see a Damien. Okay, all right. Good, excellent. Well, let's move on to the activities for the day. Okay, so you guys should already have, let me share my screen with you. All right, can everybody see the slideshow? Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, excellent. Okay, so with that, I assume everybody has this done, and I assume everybody has the 3 delta maths done. I hope so, because I am going to be putting all of these into the grade book here today. So make sure they are all completed. Now, the next thing on the agenda is you need to have the practice test and the actual, whoa, hello, good morning, and the actual test done by Friday at midnight. So make sure they're done Friday at midnight. The practice test, I believe, is only 7 questions. So like not really huge, but it's kind of one of each. Now the test itself is like 20 questions, but it's because I did, 5 of the factoring this way, 5 of the factoring this way. Those are the big things. And then just in case, because I'm not going to be here tomorrow, your homework for Monday, as mentioned previously, is to do everything on slide number 24. So slide number 24 is what is due on Monday. All right, with that in mind, let's go ahead and, are there any questions? Any questions? Put them in the chat, or feel free to, of course, talk to me. Otherwise, I'm going to go do an example problem or two. I don't see anybody with questions, and I don't hear anybody with questions. Hopefully that is accurate. Let's do 2 problems together here. All right, and ImageMate. Can everybody see my hand? All right, good. So then we'll do this one. All right, first things first, we want to break this down. And in fact, you know what? Let's add a equal 0, because we'll do our last step on these. So in this case, I need to try to take out something that's common. Anything common? No. So now I'm ready for step 2, first parts. Got it. Well, the problem with first parts here is I got 1x, 9x, 3x, 3x. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do last parts. Problem here, I got 1 and 70. 2 and 35, 5 and 14. I got 2 and 30, 7 and 10. There we go. Okay, so I have lots of options here. So what I need to do is I need to make sure I take this stack right here. 1, 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 5, 7. 70, 35, 14, 10. 70, 35, 14, 10. 70, 35, 14, 10. And I need to multiply everything by something. So here we go. I need to know, what do you want to multiply this first one by? Somebody put it in the chat. 3. So you've chosen this guy right here. So I got 3, 3, 3, 3. So what goes on the other side? 3, 3, 3, 3. All right. Now, I could start this and say, oh, 3 and holy crap, 210. Yeah, that's not going to make 9. 6, and I don't even know what that is. 15 and 30, 40. Nope, that's not going to make it. 21 and 30. Okay. Yeah, 21 and 30. 21 and 30 would do it, wouldn't it? Because can I take 30, a positive 30 and a negative 21? I think that'll do it. So my pairs are, we'll put it over here, 3x, 3x, and we need one of them has a 7, one of them has a 10, and we need to figure out our signs. Well, that's negative here, positive here, equals 0. And we could double check it to make sure it works. So I have, yep, 9x squared plus 30x minus 21x minus 70. And that makes 9x. Yep. Okay. Now, that is factored. Let's finish solving just like we did yesterday. How do I finish solving? Well, 3x minus 7 equals 0, plus 7 plus 7. 3x equals 7, x equals 7 over 3. Over here, 3x plus 10 equals 0, minus 10 minus 10, 3x equals negative 10, divide by 3, x equals negative 10/3. There you go. So you'll notice I didn't need these because I happened to find my solution. I factored and I solved. That's probably the toughest problem on the test right there. Okay, now just in case, let's go over here. 1, 8, 2, 4. And I got 3 and 1. Well, that's kind of nice. What would you guys do to do this problem right here? What would you do first? You want to go 1 and 8 or 2 and 4? 2 and 4, they say. Now, why am I willing to do guess and check here, but I wasn't willing to guess and check all these here? Well, this, I can guess and check these pretty fast. There's too many options to guess and check. So do I put a 3 here or do I put a 1 here? Because the nice thing with 3 is there's only 1 and 3. There's only really one option. What do I put here, 3 or 1? Somebody says 1. We'll put a 3 back here, that means. Now, because it's a minus, I have to do what kind of signs? One of each. So here we go. 8x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 3. Nope, not going to work. Even if I switch the signs, that's not going to work. So now I'm going to try 4x up here, 2x over here. I got 1, I got 3, and I don't know, plus minus maybe, I don't know. 8x squared minus 12x. Ooh, this looks positive. And minus 3. Now in this case, I get negative 10x. So I got the right number, but the wrong signs. What do I need to do? Right number, wrong signs. What do I do? Switch them, you betcha. So instead of plus, I use minus, and instead of minus, I use plus. So my final answer is 4x minus 1, 2x plus 3. Now, if it's equal to 0, what do I now need to do to actually get my final solution? What do I do to figure out what goes here? What do we do over here once we'd factored? Yeah, we need to finish solving. 4x minus 1 equals 0, and 2x plus 3 equals 0. So I got plus 1, minus 3, minus 3. 4x equals 1, x equals 1/4. Or, what else does x equal? I got 2x equals negative 3, divide by 2, negative 3/2. There we go. All right, guys, that's basically the test right there. The only other one to keep in mind is, something like x squared minus 9. Well, there's no middle term. So when you do it, it's x and x. I need to balance it 3 and 3, one positive, one negative, so that the middle number will cancel out. All right, with that in mind, that's what I have for you today. Get your practice test done, get your regular test done, and go ahead and get the first slide of the next section done. All right, see you guys.